Hi, I'm Milan Mancic. I am in research about over 20 years about electromagnetism, but I was faced a long time during my work with some strange effects and what we used to call subtle energy. It is how I start to research also orgone subtle energy, and I build in my team. We built this bigger sitting one orgone accumulator. The smaller one is on the bench. Some jars, blankets, deadly orgone energy buster. It is original name from Wilhelm Reich, who is familiar with this. So it is another video about this subject, but it's rather promotion. Why? Because I wrote, after all these years experience, I wrote a PDF book, but I will rather say instruction manual, how to make them with blueprints, with other needed details, and something new which you cannot find on any on internet about orgone energy, which I discovered without knowing for orgone energy, but later realized it could be explained by that, like orgone accumulator. About that I will later. So in the subject of this video is a link where you can download and buy for reasonable price this PDF book if you like, no matter. No, I'm not pushed to do that. So I start to receive more and more question, is it works? Can heal people, can whatever. People ask me almost about health. I should stop here and say this: I'm not qualified to conduct that kind of research. Even we did, it's not research, we did for, if I have pain, I was inside, many friends of mine and them friends came here, sit, blah blah. But I'm not qualified to give any statement. As I said, I use for my research. But when we are speaking about subtle energy, what is subtle energy? It is low level of energy intensity, if we are speaking in the term of joules, watts. And some of them is very hard to detect at all. But it is still maybe unknown too much how they influence on the long period to any processes, some of them even our health. But what is the point here? We also have subtle energy as living organism. So if you want success, so we also, like in quantum physics, we are the part of experiments, of treatment, and it depends on us as well. The best, it is what I said that I will say about it. A long time ago, I was in research, explore spirals, angles, pyramids, whatever. By coincidence, which I describe in the book, I found that it gives results for increasing time speed of germination. And I conducted so many. So why I'm saying that it's subtle energy? Because it is paper, It is organic material, and this is printed form. Mostly it is carbon conductive material, and as Richard Wright described, organic material attract orgone energy, and conductive material radiate. So what we did, we printed many forms, put under cup with seeds, or other also slow processes, and we made so many experiments, very positive. There was a negative results. Why? You will see in the book, but many things can affect to come to results. So that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.